In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A22, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first, just open list of all apps, go to settings then, and now mark developer options. Here, if you will scroll a bit lower, you will notice demo mode. So just mark it, and then to turn it on, click on enable demo mode, and to make it visible as well, just select show demo mode right here. And as you can see, even in status bar, it is already changed. And then whenever you would like to turn off this feature, just mark this first switcher and it is no longer active. So this is it, this is how you can activate and use demo mode on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.